Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to take screenshot, what you have to do is to press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you can easily take screenshot. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and the screenshot will be taken. And for the one last time, power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the album called Screenshots and Screen Recordings, in the screenshots section. And here they are. And from here you can share, edit, favorite, delete, or perform all these other actions with your screenshots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.